So you want to speak English clearly and confidently. I'm from English and I help you. Your pronunciations and clear expression is so important if you want to speak English clearly and confidently. But it is not only English sounds that are important so that you pronounce your word correctly, but it is also your word stress and sentence stress, pause, and intonation that can impact meaning and the clarity of your English sentences. Word stress is making one syllable in each word stronger, and it gives the meaning of the words in English. For example, these words advice and advice. So sentence stress is making words and sentence stronger and clearer. Without this stress, we sound like robbers. Do you like banana milkshakes? Do you like banana milkshakes? Adding stress, pause, and intonations to your English sentences will make the clear and easier to understand. So why is all of this important? Well, if you find listening to English difficult, these are the magic keys that will unlock your understanding of spoken English. For native speakers, stress, pause, and intonations come naturally. The lessons, they learn and copy the sounds and patterns of English from when they are children. But non-native speakers who learn English in a completely different way find it difficult to learn and practice the patterns of spoken English. If you are non-native English speakers, you probably have two main problems. Firstly, native speakers speak too quickly, and it's difficult for you to understand them. Secondly, it is difficult for native English speakers to understand you because you speak English with a natural pattern already. But for non-native speakers, it's not easy to learn how to correctly pronounce words or which words should be stressed in sentence or which syllables should be stressed in words. But I'm going to show you a new way to study today that will make it so much easier for you to practice your spoken English. It's called the imitation technique, or sometimes it's called the shadowing, and it works so well with my private student that I have so much success with it that I want to share with you today. So how does imitation technique work? To imitate something is to copy something. So you are going to use simple native speaker as saying. You just need an audio recording of the native speaker talking at normal speed, at natural pace. It is really simple. All you need to do is listen to the first sentence and then pause it and repeat it exactly as you hear it, copying the stress, pause, and intonations used by the speaker. So why does the technique work? Because it teaches you to listen to the sound and patterns of English. You're not reading the words and guessing how to pronounce them and how to correctly stress the words in a sentence. You hear them exactly as they show out, and you're imitating them, you're copying them, creating this some word sense of yourself. Now that is exactly the same way that children speak from their parents by imitating or copying from someone else. When you practice with the English team, you will reduce your accents and pronunciation problem quickly. And you become clear and When learning to speak English confidently, it's so important to practice and improve your pronunciations and to become familiar with the patterns of English.